Hello, and welcome to Space Sentinels. Today we're going to be talking about an exciting new technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and use energy, the solar power plant in space, also known as CASSIOPeiA. But first, let's understand why there is a need to set up a solar power plant in space? Well, the answer is very straightforward. The World Energy Council expects total primary energy supply (TPES) to increase from 18 TW years in 2015 to 28 TW years by 2050 if the JAS scenario is followed. Population growth, economic progress, and people from less privileged communities striving to be better off are the decisive factors behind increased demand for fossil fuels. However, such extensive use of non-renewable energies is not only diminishing natural resources but also damaging the environment. CASSIOPeiA stands for Constant Aperture, Solid-State, Integrated, Orbital Phased Array. It is a proposal for a solar power plant that would be located in space, specifically in geostationary orbit. This means that it would remain in a fixed position relative to the Earth, allowing it to continuously capture sunlight. The idea behind CASSIOPeiA is to harness the power of the sun in space, where there are no clouds, atmospheric interference, or nighttime to interfere with the solar panels. It aims to generate electricity for use on Earth by converting the sunlight into electricity that would be transmitted back to the Earth via microwave or laser beams. Patent has been applied for worldwide usage, can be used in space environments to wirelessly transfer power. It offers a convenient and energy-efficient way to do this. CASSIOPeiA, when integrated with high-efficiency photovoltaics (PV), has the potential to set up a large-scale solar power satellite (SPS). This would provide clean, sustainable and reliable energy sources at a higher efficiency than other methods. Thus, it could greatly contribute to the world's need for renewable energy sources. By the way, if you are wondering from where this name, CASSIOPeiA, is derived from, Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky which is named after a queen in Greek mythology. One of the major advantages of space-based solar power is that it would be able to generate energy continuously, regardless of weather conditions or time of day. Unlike terrestrial solar power plants, which can only generate electricity when the sun is shining, a space-based solar power plant would be able to capture sunlight 24/7. Additionally, because the solar panels would be located in space, they would not be subject to the same environmental or land use constraints as terrestrial solar power plants. For example, space-based solar power plants would not require large areas of land, and would not have to compete with other land uses such as agriculture or housing. They also would not have to worry about environmental impacts such as shading or wildlife habitat loss. Another advantage is that space-based solar power plants could be placed in orbit around the Earth in such a way that they would be able to capture sunlight at much higher intensity and for much longer durations than terrestrial solar power plants. This would increase the efficiency and output of the solar power plant, and would help to reduce the overall cost of generating electricity. Overall, space-based solar power has the potential to provide a reliable, sustainable and clean source of energy, with fewer environmental impact and land use constraints. While the concept of CASSIOPeiA is exciting, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome before it can become a reality. One of the main challenges is the high cost of launching and maintaining a solar power plant in space. This would involve not only the initial cost of building and launching the solar panels, but also the ongoing costs of maintaining and repairing the equipment in space. Another challenge is the technological challenges of transmitting electricity back to the Earth. This would require the development of advanced technologies such as microwave or laser beams to transmit the electricity over long distances, and the creation of systems to safely and efficiently transmit the electricity to the Earth. Additionally, there are also regulatory and legal issues that need to be addressed, such as who would own and operate the solar power plant, and how the electricity would be distributed and sold. In order to meet the timeline proposed by the Net Zero Pledge of the government, international partnerships will be established in order to build an orbital demonstrator (SBSP) space-based solar power system by 2030. With that system established, its first operational version, which is capable of delivering power into a grid, should be ready by 2040. Solar power plant in space is a futuristic technology, and a lot of work needs to be done to make it a reality. But the potential benefits are massive, and this technology is worth keeping an eye on. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.